lovelies, how are you doing, guys? I'm just hoping that you guys are really doing great, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hadassa Amina, and welcome to today's video. Guys, on today's video I'm just going to show you how I just quick fix myself. Yeah, from hair to my makeup, I just do simple things to, when you're in a you want at least to leave the house looking good. Yes, so this is me. This is how I usually do it. Yeah, from this to this. Yes, it's something very simple. So guys, let's start doing this stuff. Let's do it. I'm just trying to see how I can set my hair. Yep, yeah. Yes guys, so that is it. Enjoy the video. Yeah, so guys, this is the state of my hair. So I had already combed through, and it's time for me to do a sleek ponytail. No, really, yeah, a sleek ponytail. And I'm going to use Eco styling gel. I'm not going to use that much styling gel because I tend to avoid hair gel so much, because hair gel can really damage your hair. But here I really needed some so that to bring everything together. Yeah, so I do love sleek ponytails, but I don't like using a lot of gel, because gel can really damage your hair. So for that, I'm just using a very little amount of it, and then on top of it I'll be spraying splits to hold everything together. Splits is like a hair spray, holding spray, sorry, it's like holding spray. Yeah, so as you can see right now, I had two different ideas. That's why you can see that I had portions, some hair that are hanging around there, like two portions that I had portioned. But I am 50-50. I'm not sure that I'm going to go with that, or I'm going to go with just a simple, sleek, whatever, sleek yeah, without now doing the two ideas that I had. Yeah, so I'm not going to talk about that because I changed my mind later. Yeah, so after that you have to lay your edges, and after laying my edges I'm spraying splits to hold my edges together. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. Yes, and then after that I'll be now tying a headscarf to make sure that everything is well it has been, to make sure that my hair and everything is well secured together, and to give it time to dry. So on my hair, I realized that if I only do a 3-strand method on my hair and use it as my, the base where I'll be sewing in my extension, because the extension that I'm using today is not a really extension. I'm using a weave. Yeah, so I decided to add a Brazilian wool, yeah, so that it can create that, so that it can give me an easy time when I am sewing in that weave. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, my edges are well laid and my hair is looking dope. Yeah, so after that I'm sewing that ponytail together so that it can give me a beautiful, a good firm base in order for me to sew in my weave. So this is the weave that I'm using. It's from Olivia, and I love the texture. I bought this weave like 3 months ago, and I bought it at around 950, but I really loved the texture. It looks like a semi-human. Yeah, it has a very nice texture. Actually, it has a very nice texture, so that's why I decided to buy it. So I bought it, and then I was like, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it right now, but that's me. When I see something good, I just buy it, and then I have a box whereby I just put them there. So when I want to fix myself, when I want to go and do my hair, I just go through my things, my hair products that I have bought, and then I make a decision, and that's how I do it. Yeah, so it has 2 bundles, and I decided to use that one bundle, and then the other bundle I'll keep it because I know definitely I'll be reusing this weave. I'll be reusing it. I don't know how, but I'll be reusing it. Yeah, so here I'm just using my needle, and then I'm also using splits because it's actually, I realized that it's holding. Yeah, so I was using a needle, and then I was spraying the split. So as you can see, I decided to remove the two portions that I had portioned, the two hair that I had portioned earlier, and I decided to make it look simple just like that. Yeah, so I'm done with my hair, and I think the next thing for me is to do my makeup, my simple makeup. This is the kind of look that I always feel like this I can achieve very fast. Okay, yeah, I don't have to struggle. I just do my own stuffs. Okay, so at this moment I had done my skincare, my morning skincare routine, and I had already applied sunscreen. So with that, I don't have to apply primer again because I have the sunscreen. Yeah, because my sunscreen, you can use it as a primer. Yeah, so for my eyebrows, I'm just using eyebrow gel, and I'm just using brushing eyebrow gel, and then I use that to brush my eyebrows. Yeah, because I wanted to have that dull, to add that color on my eyebrows. And then after that, I'm concealing my eyebrows. After concealing my eyebrows, I'm just trying to hide some to black spots, you know, some to black breakouts that I had. I cannot explain you, cannot tell you what happened. Yeah, but they are not that much. Yes, so after that, I'm using my foundation, and then after applying my foundation, I'm also trying to highlight my under eyes, my nose bridge, my forehead, and around my mouth. Yes, and then blending it in. After blending it in, I'll be using a loose powder. This is what do you call it? What do you call it now? Yeah, the setting powder. Yeah, so I'm also using setting powder to set the concealer, to set the areas that I've used concealer. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then after that, I'll be contouring. I'll be contouring my face. As you can see, I'm contouring my face. Yeah, and then after that, I'll be blending the powder, blending the powder. So this is a look that I always feel like I can achieve in, you know, like if I'm going somewhere, this is something that I can do very fast. Yeah, I can fix myself very fast and leave the house. Yeah, then after that, on my eyeshadows, guys, this is how I do my eyeshadows. I prefer, if I am in a hurry, I just prefer using these two color, the dull color on my outer corner, and then the brighter color on my inner corner. And with that, I always feel like it's giving my eyes are popping. So that is my option number one when it comes to my eyeshadows, because number one, I'm not an eyeshadow person, but when I have to do it, that's how I do it. Yeah, so I'm not today I'm not applying any falsies, so I'll just be using mascara to, you know, to make my eyelashes pop out. And then I'm not using eyeliner whenever on my waterline, because I have an issue with most eyeliners. So to be on the safe side, I always decided to use an black eye pencil as my eyeliner. Yeah, because it has no effects on my eyes. Okay, yeah. And then lip lining my lips, then I'm using two shades. I'm doing an ombre actually, so an ombre of maroon and a nude color. And then use setting spray to set my my face, and then accessorize, and then I'm good to go. And that is the results, guys. That is the results. Yes, so that's how I just do it when I want to fix myself very fast. And yes, guys, that was it from me today. That was the look, and thank you so much for stopping by. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves, and bye bye. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.